Hello and hello friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving 1% family. I'm your soul fan, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and let us enjoy the drive. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story, the flight of freedom. To now, let's go. Once upon a time in a quiet village, there lived a young man named Alex who was once known for his strength and determination. But after a severe injury from an accident, Alex lost the use of one leg, and with it, he felt his identity slipping away. He went from being the village's pride to feeling like a burden, sinking deeper into helplessness and frustration. Each day he watched his friends play sports, work, and live freely, while he felt trapped in his own body. His family tried to lift his spirits, but Alex's mind was clouded with thoughts of what he had lost and what he could no longer do. One morning, an elderly villager named Hudson visited Alex. Hudson had faced many challenges in life, including the loss of his eyesight, yet he was known as the happiest person in the village. He asked Alex, "What's stopping you from finding joy?" Alex bitterly replied, "How can I find joy when I have lost my strength, my dreams, my future?" Hudson gently laughed. "I lost my eyesight a year ago, but I learned that life is not defined by what we lack, it's shaped by what we choose to see. You can stay in the darkness, or you can create light from within." Those words lingered in Alex's heart, and he decided to give life another chance. Slowly, he began training his upper body, building strength and resilience. Over the time, he mastered new skills and even found creative ways to support others, like teaching younger villagers to overcome their own struggles. Alex's spirit returned, stronger and more courageous than ever, as he proved that no setback could break him. His journey became an inspiration, reminding everyone that true strength is not about physical ability, but about resilience, adaptability, and courage. In last moral of the stories, when life takes away something precious, it opens a path to discover deeper strength. The power to overcome helplessness lies in our choice to adapt, grow, and rise beyond our limitations. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul fan, Tales and Twist.
And one more night